Just trying to get some pretzels here. I just made a change to the bag. Did I change the chemicals in the bag? I did not. Did I change the shape of the bag? I did. I'm going to keep changing the shape of the bag. If I keep changing it, I'm really changing something physical about it, right? Its shape and its size. And maybe its mass a little bit, right? But if I just like am magical and I can put it back together, I didn't really change it at all, right? Same amount of mass of bag in this situation. So now I'm going to reach in here, pull out a pretzel. Do you think this pretzel always looked like this pretzel? Bet it didn't. It has little bits of salt on it, do you see? I can't really get the salt off very easily, but this was clearly baked in something, and like an oven, and heated up, and it probably wasn't always this color. Can I get it back to the flour that made this pretzel? Probably not. I know. I'm eating in front of you again. But guess what? My saliva is working. I'm changing the pretzel up. It doesn't look the same. Probably wouldn't smell the same if I breathed on you either. Now I'm going to swallow it, and I'm going to digest it. That's a chemical change, right? I'm going to change the chemicals in that pretzel into energy, and different nutrients are going to be absorbed in my body. My stomach acid is breaking it down, and I'm going to get some like awesome energy here. Actually, that pretzel wasn't that good, so don't be jealous. Of course, I have an apple here, but look at this apple. It's kind of older. Like, I grabbed the one at the bottom of the fruit basket. See how it's starting to kind of like wrinkle, get all dried up, and it's kind of mangled. I've been carrying it around for a while thinking I was going to eat it, but it got a bruise. Do you see it? You see the bruise right there? Got a bruise. So the bruise is brown. Can I undo that bruise very well? I really can't. The apple right there is going to be bruised for a long time. Now, if I take a bite of the apple, how did I change the apple? I changed the size. I changed the shape. Did I make any more apple? Nope. Did I lose any apple? Nope. All still there after a change took place. I could eat the apple. I don't really want to, so I'm not going to. I could eat the apple, and then what kind of change would it be? Chemical change or physical change? If I just take this apple and I set it down on my desk for a little while, what's going to happen to the inside of the apple? Ugh. Sometimes I get so frustrated with my work, and it doesn't print right, and so I just have to... I just changed this paper physically, right? I just changed its size and its shape. Did I get rid of any of the atoms that make up the paper? Nope, still the same paper, right? Yeah, that's awesome. I'm going to crumple it up. Now what did I change about the paper? Size, shape, change, right? So it's just a physical change. Hang on, I'm looking for something here. So what if I decide I'm going to burn the paper? Right? I'm going to burn the paper. There it goes, catch it on fire. Let's hope I don't set off the fire alarm in school, right? All right, can you guys see the smoke coming off of it? What happened to the paper? It kind of changed, didn't it? So the paper changed, and it's becoming like black, and it's still kind of glowing-ish. I don't want to really hold it over my computer, but it's kind of stuck. Oh, blech, smells horrible. Had an odor change for sure. Had a color change for sure. Did I have a shape change? Mm-hmm. So smoke is really just gases and ash, like oxygen being released. And so that would be a chemical change. I can't really undo this and like not burn that and put it back together, right? So you just saw some physical changes and some chemical changes. Today, you're going to read more about physical and chemical changes. You're going to watch a couple of videos about them, and then you're going to complete a Google form and answer some questions about them to make sure you know the difference between a physical and a chemical change. I hope you all have your chemical changes going on just right today. Have a good afternoon.